Click like plus comment and subscribe my channel. JAKEWIN.
Ayan mga ka-winner, nag-umpisa na pong magsalita ang ating mahal na barangay kapitan para sa kanyang pambungad na salita. The 65th Foundation Anniversary of Barangay Mabuhay, General Santos City. Abangan po natin ang exciting na kantahan at sayawan dito lang po sa engranding opening ng ating activity, the anniversary celebration.
A few moments later.
I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. I found the answers to my questions in your eyes.
You make me feel like I'm natural when my soul was in the lost and found. You came along to claim it.
My God, when I look back, I will recall. So this is the moment, the sweetest moment, the greatest moment.
Champion for Kanta Mabuhay 2024, magdiwag ka na, Mr. Champion kayo. Champion.
Magharap kayo please. Magharap kayo please.
Ayun! Kitang-kita!
Our champion for Kanta Mabuhay 2024 is...
Sino?
So this was the beautiful activities for tonight. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa video ito. And for more videos, please follow my YouTube channel, Oli J. Queen. Just press subscribe. Maraming salamat po.